Welcome to English Podcast Academy. I'm Olivia. Today's question is very simple, but very beautiful. We asked 10 people, what's something that always makes you smile? It could be a song, a memory, a person, or even a smell. As you listen, try to think about your answer. What brings a smile to your face even on a hard day? This is your listening practice. This is your moment to slow down, enjoy real voices, and feel the English. Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel. One thing that always makes me smile is watching my daughter draw. She's only 6, and when she picks up her crayons, she goes into her own world. The pictures don't always make sense, but they're full of color and feeling. Sometimes she draws a house or a big sun with a smiley face. Every time I see her art, I feel warm inside. It reminds me to slow down and enjoy the moment. Life moves fast, but those little things, like a child's drawing, bring real joy. I've learned to talk about moments like this in English thanks to English Podcast Academy. You can do the same. Start small, speak from the heart.
Hi, I'm Conrad. What always makes me smile is the moment when a stranger says thank you with a real smile. It sounds small, but when I walk through the city and someone holds a door or simply says something kind, it lifts my whole day. In a busy world, kindness feels rare. And when it happens, I feel hope. That simple word, thank you, reminds me why connection matters. And now, because of English Podcast Academy, I can share moments like these in English too. If you're just starting, speak from your real life. That's the best first step.
Hi, I'm Daria. What always makes me smile is the sound of clay spinning on the wheel. It's soft, it's round, and it feels like time is slowing down. When I'm shaping something with my hands, all the noise in my head disappears. I smile when the piece finally stands still, even if it's not perfect. Sometimes I even talk to the clay. It's silly, but it works. Learning English is a bit like that. You shape it slowly. And English Podcast Academy gave me the courage to speak. You can do it too. Just take one soft step at a time.
Hi, I'm Max. What always makes me smile? Waves. Real ones at the beach, and the small ones people give when they pass by. I love being near water. When a kid catches their first wave or an old man just floats with his eyes closed, that makes me smile. It's simple, pure, and that's how learning English should feel too. You don't need to know everything, just feel the rhythm. For me, English Podcast Academy helped me ride that wave. If you're watching this, it's time to catch yours.
Hi, I'm Brent. One thing that always makes me smile is a good old map. I know that sounds strange, but maps are full of stories. When I unfold one, I think of all the people who lived in those places, the journeys they took, and the roads they followed. It's like holding time in your hands. That same curiosity is why I started learning English. It opened doors to more stories, more voices. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I found a way to bring those voices into my own classroom. You can do the same. Open your map. Start here.
Hi, I'm Chloe. One thing that always makes me smile is color. Just color. A bright yellow jacket, a deep blue sky, or even a red umbrella on a rainy day. Colors speak to me. They tell little stories without words. I use them to design clothes, but I also see them everywhere. In food, in art, in people's moods. Learning English helped me explain those colors, those ideas to more people. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I found my words. You can find yours too. Just listen, learn, and smile with us.
Hi, I'm Vernon. What always makes me smile? Numbers. I know it sounds strange, but when a plan works, when a client understands a difficult topic and smiles back, that's my moment. Helping someone save money or reach a goal, that makes me feel good. English helped me teach better, connect better. I learned to speak clearly, simply, and that made all the difference. English Podcast Academy helped me slow down, speak right, and connect. You should try it too. You never know where the first word will take you.
Hi, I'm Teodor. What always makes me smile? Light. Natural light. Morning light. The light coming through a window in a quiet room. I work with buildings, but what I really love is how light makes them feel alive. When I learned English, I started reading more books about design from around the world. English opened a door to better ideas, and English Podcast Academy made it easy for me to practice every day. If you want to smile more, learn something new. Start with one video. That's how it begins.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn. One thing that always makes me smile is when a child says something funny without knowing it. It's so real and honest. Like one time, a student called the moon a sleepy lemon in the sky. I laughed for days. Moments like that are why I love my job. And learning English has helped me read more books to them, sing songs, and connect with parents too. English Podcast Academy gave me simple tools I use every day. If you're ready to smile more, this is a beautiful place to start.
Hi, I'm Sophia. What always makes me smile? Sitting by the window in the morning sun with a cup of tea. I watch the street, the people, the flowers in my little garden. Life feels slow, soft, and beautiful. I'm retired now, but I enjoy learning every day. English gives me something new to smile about. I read short stories, watch calm videos, and talk to new friends online. English Podcast Academy made this easy and fun for me. If I can smile and learn at my age, you can too. Start today. Thank you for watching this episode of 10 People, 10 Answers. Did you smile while listening? I hope so. Learning English is not only about grammar or vocabulary. It's about feeling something, connection, joy, comfort. If you enjoyed this video, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to English Podcast Academy. And remember, this is your space to grow. Your voice matters, and your English journey is just getting started. See you in the next episode.